And I'm a sure I'm not from Pom on the Krumo. Omoya Zama. Omoya Zama. So I say, I can phone you now. Free Bonoa. What? What? But the Bono Manson Kingdom no, 12 something. Bono Manson Kingdom no, 12 something. But you know, Nzema, yeah, 1120 to 1194. Nzema, 1120, 1194. Nzema, 2. My old friend, I'm not from Pom Casa, Ghana, for free Asian Ghana nearby, you know. Anya no correct. Anya no correct. And the my phone history no chese omo free Egypt. Omo na no man tena Asian Ghana da. Da. Ahantafo. Omo na no man tena Asian Ghana da. Movement na omo di free soro no e ba na omo kanse na omo kan me da me dem say me de menyin no. Ahantafo daddy. So by 1200 no, na nzema ye money, na hanta ye money. 1200 na nzema ye money, na hanta ye money. I am yet to come across history book of Ekase nzema a hanta for konye. Minyanshi bisa. Ebia ne bi ho. Ebia na minim. But me share bisa. Ebia ne bi ho. Ebia ne bi siye. But no, from 12 something up to today, dear, men share them say, Nzamane a hunter for. So Nzama for no ni bibi pia wo bono manson. Nzama for no ni bibi pia wo Asian Ghana. So to say, I can phone you now free bono no. It's ridiculous. Just be over Nzama for nyakan. It's a walk can. No, then Nzama for nyakan. Well, the end there was some. But when you say, I can't for Ube Nzama for a few. Ube ya hunter for a few. Around 1300, 1400. So I can Nzama for Tokano dear. Who can Nzama Tokano? What can hunter for Tokano? But they were very strong, very formidable. Nzama for no kingdom no, a strategic Grand Bassam in Cote d'Ivoire. Grand Bassam in Cote d'Ivoire. Yeah, that the Ashanti history, every 1700 ebano. And on our matro yakan once a matro can once a matro can once a Muganya Sadia. 1700 Ashanti history, but the Ashanti de Oyakora is about 325. If you have the Ashanti kingdom, 325 on the Ayakrapa. So those who unnecessarily are attacking the Ashantism. Ashanti the Yedin can you. But then if you are city, I bet you about that another kingdom can emerge. It is possible. So kingdoms, Abba as a man Abada before 1300, a hunter Abada 14 something, a hunter Abada, Adanse Abada, Denchira Abada, Akwamu Abada, Gonja Abada, Bagbon Abada, Nanumba Bimbila Abada, Fafra Abada, the Bagati kingdom, the Wala kingdom. The earliest, the Oriya will be the Ashanti. A minimum payment. Down, yes. Down south also, down more. Down south also the Anglo. 1600 you have the Damashi people. Also they you call it. They fell then Fantes also the champion that Fantes also the champion that the guns. So so if you know the history of this country, when in Ghana about Kosema, Ebonum Kasa sabi ya o Mokasa no. Nyame kan on trade that oni na bala na wala asante for ba yede. Bala asante for beje asase. Bala asante for come on. The gentleman and now would din kranzan na tem no. Beje dey say wenum na ese mutie yan. Mutie yan moko TikTok, moko WhatsApp, moko social media. Muntie Nanya daje fansa so about the tea and she be free. At the end of the day, no, Obaga say, hey, son, na not here. But there's the mass, no, ne a hand tab, you know, me young one. Banzama forces on your Santa for I alliance that. Then I have from Zama Kotoko. The history is there. Umpim. Now then, na better Santa for Belgian sassy. Have you come on? Come on. Please learn. Suyanti. Abakwese mumpa. Suyanti. Nyadaje. With unbiased mind. The guns will tell you a lot. Ayikushi, Ayite, Yikonalai. Go there. Kotie. Them Fantes, yeah, they had the support of the British, the Portuguese initially. The Fantes also, general Monasupa. The hunters. No, on the anticipation, they are what ya said. Ofribia, Nkranza. Nkranza, Hinaba Menshia. Lydia. No, Koyade. No, go bio. No, she will be okay. Come on, please. The ignorance in the system is too much. Now, those who are supposed to know. Distortion. As you say, no, be able to say menji. No, you can't so major bribe and any pan and from menji. I mean, how? The menji people are group. What even for menji? And I can't ban a form, no. What even for menji? And coca form, circle form, no. What even for menji? And I can't and crankwaja and soko the baby, no. Because some more ancestry. So menje, they are saying some fish on nearby. Whether you like it or not, that is their history. Don't rubbish it. That's all. Catching the Papa Jack Rabbis. It's all ridiculous. Menje has never been part of the German people. Menje nye German for the big that. Menje, omonye German for the big that. Wamom cha wamom mane kotra hono. Menje fonka humbi. So kasa asa no say ni say me aminima abakosa no na mesre pokwe. I'll just make mockery of you. Mesre pokwe. What ni pe asa okay. Onim na abakosa ni. Okoshi abakosa no. I think that the time has come as a history. Yes, pa ye. Umpo yesu abakosa. It is like the debate across the war. Kutuka Kwame Nkrumah Mazolini wa omsiamfa Obake. Me everybody who be some say yamfa Obake nkan. So, obi kan there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. Ati akwaba. Wezo Obake and there's nothing wrong. Do we need to be fighting over this? Adena regional minister nakoka adentina onka na eno akwa ntokwa bidre. The thing is in Accra. Osio yanya no Obake mfanka ho. Wanka se mum popa wezo ene akwaba no. also mom fan can we am talk not say 2 or 3 days. I am talk take political dimension. I 2025. 2025. I take a political dimension. Mpanyampa, nye koso Ghana no. Akwaba, Wezo, Obake. What is, dear Naira. Dear Naira. Why don't we accept that in good faith and move on it? All I want can identify Bonnie Yaba. And you hear people making arguments left, right, and center. Some are saying, say, Obakano, a can afford the Nanya Gan that way. If you know the history very well, yes, I agree. There's a difference between Adangbe and Gan. Yana ya to from Gandangbe for Gandangbe for Gan. Okay, Gandangbe. Now just only 2 ethnic groups. Gandangbe means 2 ethnic groups. The guys will break you Abema Gamashi, Osu, Nungwa, Teshi, La, Tama, and I think possibly Shayu Siduku. I heard them in so sure about that. They been so for Nakoya Shayu Siduku. But I don't know when you're so sure Osuduku can. Shy Osuduku can. Gaforu and I got that way. But let me go to the Adangways. Adangway, you have the Pong, you have the Ningo, you have the Pram Pram, then you have the Krobos. What do you want to call? So I think Shy Osuduku can Adangway for no. But Kasa no kura no wa obey history pa we history. Ubotimu say America no na kasa no ababe kade no Adangbe wo na ga ewo. But woman hu no de omote we ka but okan say ya so woman omote kasa no kan bi from what things we ya Adangbe we ga. Then somebody was saying say okay yamfa here and na ya Adangbe. Well, I said this is not in Adangbe land. It's in Galad. There's a line no any Adangbe. Ewo Gan. So Ganfonka Ubake Ubaya. They are right. Monfaka. So who tell me me ma who say nso ne da Gan. Ene Adangbe no nso ne dem. But I am Gan that big for Gan that. Wa wini no another day. Wa wo mpa abakosem na tie. Wa wo wunim. Na wa ofa ho kaseti ya wo no ena me ma wadisia say you Gan na yo Adangbe and the Adangbe is no baba benya binu eastern region. In fact you can the Adangbe is a krobo for near you can so menjeni free suraba also want to say you can asante a monse sika kokko no akonya na emfiri soro a wo se montiase. The Krobos also have a Katia Nelly one. And so Olu challenge that. But why do you have to? Then I say, okay, send the men tiasie. Krobo for no kasa asem kire wo mo. I want to hear your Bible cassette here. Let's respect Obia culture, Obia tradition. We need to respect everybody. It's a tradition, it's a culture. The Kwamus, of which the Domas form part. No. Omunya ntokwa na omukroso nsu prako na yi no owuram kokote na di womo anim kofa nsu no ba bia ho nye munno. So the Kwamus have always given recognition to kokote. Asanya na niam asesa kra dia enka from there's a 1500 1600 no another 1600 no ba kra da another 1700 akwamu yini bi onwe kokote nam onwe kokote nam. We need to respect that. We need to respect that because the Akwamus are saying say look kokote boy so many instances, so many history. ye ko Bible mu a ne obeka ye gitum ye ko Quran mu a ne obeka ye gitum ya ba traditional African na yiso a ne obeka mo se anu de mo manyintum I mean is that good huh eh ya very history mu a ase o ne obeka de manyintum I mean it's quite interesting so that is what is happening but you know aka Germany anomo dan for no say mo problem bi aba o say ye nyina ase ameka bi ma o because they are cano thousand. But there was once upon a time in 2007, 2008, one day across posted in Koto Hinja. Nila Tevanda Point say Montias. But you know, Kumasi de to Babayara. I've seen the other friend Babayara. Kumasi de only to Babayara, a that's friend Babayara. You know, we need to be accommodating. But my so be a money and Nila Tevanda politics. So your politics and 209 no to on case on tiasi among yourself if we say Kufo de across stadium akoto ohenejan eh and then land to vanda pass no buy no aye kan me obrupo on say me can be mama says the historical Neil and Vanda Poys are not Ghanaians. They are from Brazil. So Vanda Poy, Bossman, and the rest in or me are Brazilians. Maybe people don't know. Abakosem na me kancho. Abakosem na me kancho me mau. Pure and unadulterated Abakosem history. Eti me mu nzema afo na abonfia, me mu ahanta abonfia. Nzema afo no and they have the historical records. So they never woman and animal tena Asian Ghana ta. Woman and animal tena bonon ta. Ta. Mo mo kasa kamfo nyina fi bono mo bowa who we need to tone down a little. We need to tone down. Munya somebody something. Nzemani no ma Asian Ghana ta. Wama bono ta. Pero yakan. Ahanta nino ma Asian Ghana ta. Ahanta nino matena bono ta. Go and check. Badu Bonsu the first 11 something. Before 1200. Before 1200. Na hanta woho. Na nzema woho. 1200. Ahanta was in existence for almost 400-500 years. Nzema was in existence for 400-500 years. Samuni mwa. Ahanta foreign abako some kese bonsu. Bonsu na bae. Bushina. Beach ho. Now, this is what they are saying now. Obe fini panugu ho. That is the Ahanta story. Men trango kase obe ditro. Omu ditro. Ahanta. But no, the ignorant ones na munnim history no. More than against Ashati history number 1695 for Bano. And on the oldest. Because I don't know and in this because the Kwabu kingdom was there and Sana Santeba. A Kuran be near Kuran be in terms of kingdoms. Kuran be any Akumu. Kuran be Negamashi. Because Gamashi 1400. Ayikushi, Aite, Nikona, like 14 something. Nibiduma back. I don't say 12 something to 1300. I don't say. Bobby Sango, Fomena, what when you 1300, not answer my. Huh? Yes, you're going to back. I can't fool you now. Ravidi Kanuba, the same Bonomanso. Bonomanso was around 12 something. But even Bromanso around 12 something. Na Hanta war, na Nzema war, na Dibebi war, Bergofon war, na Koti war. Abakwasa na mwasi ni tiasisi. And our politics. I know 90% of women have distortions in now. They all belong to Amanyukubi. Me more money clear. Winning Samanyukubi. And that Amanyukubi, they want to rewrite history. You cannot rewrite history. Then Chambonwa or said to me, a confanochi free aquamua or mopa, then Chambo, then Yaquam for dear. Then Chambo was a pure gold. Then Chambo was a pure gold. Aquam for not the mouse city. And then I want Santa flag yellow, green, black, not then Chambo at the moon. Aquamu was in existence before the Ashanti Kingdom ended. And Sasa Kurumu were very powerful. And some Ashanti Kingdom ever. Oh, see away. Sia Bibi who Bibi. Sia Bibi who Bibi petty. And your political party rally na yeah. Then you talk anyhow. Even political party rally could I yeah. Kasa yeah na hwi. So in your TikTok na say na waso na si wanim no. And what back say ma bedema. Huh? Not pushing for mother. By 1300, the Mamprugu kingdom now. By 1300, the Moshi was there. By 1300, the Gonja. By 13 or 1400, the Nanumba. So if I sat here 1700, not 14, 1500, not kingdom should be brave. In fact, I sat here 1700, not Chimabuakuraba. Achimabuakwa is older than Asante. Achimabuakwa is older than Asante. But you know, they were very fortunate. So, Conformachi, ya dear pa, we bra, munyina momian kambum. As if it's a confederation. And of course, I call it confederation. Stu Wimra. Stu shooting in a paramancy. Munyina mombra, monkambum. Monfamo morgan, monfamo timi. Benya command. Monfoma kunyina mram, the best from. We are going to have one golden stool. And you think that it is a joke? Huh? You think that there's a joke? You think that we can underrate this performance? We can underestimate this performance? Ukobisa Ahanta, Ukobisa Nzama, Ukobisa Dagumba, Ukobisa Maprugu, Ukobisa Musi, Ukobisa Fantina. Omega say, Santa Fono there, we admire their history. We admire their history. Before Santa Fobe, say yeti a true na kon ye na kwamu fodie. That explains why I come for not channel say to tuba. Wama ma I have straight to. Wam go jet to and the kwamu gave them 800 soldiers. Says no soldier kra maya, me find someone me ma I work. Omna betana ha enuma samwasefo no ombeye adum ombeye adum. So please learn the history. Learn the history. We should not be envious of Obi. No mayani mribi. Why not you say Ronaldo una won one compare. Why the name say Obobo say Messi anka ompe. Huh? Why the name say oni penalty but say Bruno Fernandes, you are not penalty your boy. Goalkeeper no yere no pa so ball no wurem. Why the name penalty say Bruno Fernandes anka ompe. But the father meaning penalty say na manya penalty say no say Bruno Fernandes ball share. Make say Oditro. What I say? I say Oditro. No, I will say that. And now Bruno Fernandes penalty your born in right. Na nyefe. I will never say that. I will never say that. Never. Make say before penalty no munya no penalty ba ko du ba pa anu de mi say I think it was Walker. Walker made twa Manchester ni no me amenya yekura mu say ya penalty pa enso so o man je hwe enye once I still believe some medicine and research am I ni once no anyini change the accounts but that is where the problem comes because accounts no so we dey a hunter no the nzema me so minim se o mo ka ho no dia any account for no binu no ya enkora but once any a hunter ne nzema for o mo be tipen it is obi ko ka say account for no nyina no if you bro man so please you should stop that. But so far the research no kura ya me na makwa fa nzema na makwa fa hunter me de wo masana be kan they are can for no but a man for him sa hunter ne nzema wo manyi sa a man for bebre ni gwanse na nyini papa na gwanse no stretch lat free steam region asia ho ko ekosi so far now no ye minim no ukosi yeji and I'm sure about try yeji kura me gidi pa because set me free asia kwa ko urampun is troche atebu gwanse yeji gwanse then it means that ukrosun so na chi gwanse binim go enti gwanse no me gidi say omoso pa and then even gwanse no kura no if you are doing the history very well pa ye kan unbiased history o baba benya binim central region unbiased history ye history ye say ya pa kosem pa o baba the starting gwanse no kura fi central na wonam a wawura Greater Accra na wonam a wawura Eastern na wonam a ebinim ba kopie Oti na wonam a ebinim ba pie Bono East and I'm pretty sure ebinim ba wo Savannah and ebikura ya ba wo Savannah so mo am so that dia mo dem concentrate on akan for free e Bono man so akan no go back and do your research well. Once no mo wa manyini pa. Mo dia answer ayin akan fo nyina afitachi man wa wi. Wo de nzama baka akan. Wo de ahanta baka akan. So de nzama baka akan no de ahanta baka akan on there. Go and revise your news. Wa mo antena Asian Canada. Wa mo na nan antena. Wa mo na nan so antena Bono man sonda. So it's a challenge I'm throwing to my friends. Monko, better mean see ni pi. Many American children say, with the guans and a hunter, Becca come from. Of course, guans and a hunter and is my Becca come from. Of course, it's true. Woman can come from there. And about 12 something, no money now, but and the Bonomanso kingdom started 12:30 also. So if that is the situation there, and you're not a hunter, go and do that research. Maybe you're not going to me so me bias presentation. Me your presentation no it raise issues no, for the consumption of common sense. Consumption of the common sense. What do you mean go and say bonfia? Yeah. And I will not be surprised, sir. Because you also often central, the fun Greater Accra, the fun Eastern, the Fabi Volta, Ubenya Biwo Oti. Na yen kan se gwan akan for kra no gwan se no mkakraka na woda boka sa abakose na Ghana yesu ani na ya kan for gwan na oga sa Ghana abakose mi na ya Bono manso ana ho modi agro so please answer na de me history no my history kakra na chia obi I'm from history na anye na answer gwan for no so be temen kan na wo mbebo mo se mama mpa se no krakani obi boahe Stanley Winker said the whole country na ye no krakani no empanyina mpa. I've raised the Gwan's issue and I'm saying sir enya mote se obi ka say akamfo nyina free broman so amon kan say lawyer obi boahe go back and revise your news and then come call revise your news because my children will say a hunter and nzema. Maybe there are even other groups. Maybe because my machine kakra on a hunter and nzema. Ebi kura hono kura no binum kura hono mo omo achepa. Like you know, if you go to the Doma municipality, your krobi babiania. This babiania people before 1700. No one from Africa is now. It as we are talking now is within the Doma municipality. Babiani ha ewo Ghana. Babiani ha ewo Ghana. That's a small town. Babiani ha ewo Ghana. Babiani ha traditional council, a traditional council of old. None in Crony Bishop Cote d'Ivoire. And that even the debate is that before the Wamfia people, the Denchira, came from Denchira to settle at Wamfia. The Bankama for no Baba Wamfia. Bibiani for the show. So it could well be that even before 1690 something or something in Denchira for Krakoya. No Bibiani for. But people will not take the opportunities of the chance I used to know. Bibiani, small town. Nkrono bebre wo Cote d'Ivoire. Wo manyini papa. Bibiani may be about 700 years or so. Mo amuni mo amonte ya na me kama mo. It's within the Doma municipality.